Grapes are a beloved fruit, enjoyed fresh or dried as raisins. They are juicy and sweet, bursting with flavor. But grapes hold a special magic. They can be transformed into wine. From the vineyard to the bottle, the journey of winemaking is a testament to nature's bounty and human ingenuity. This ancient craft, passed down through generations, starts with the humble grape. These tiny fruits hold the potential for a vast array of flavors and aromas waiting to be unlocked. Grapes are not only delicious, but also packed with nutrients. They are a good source of vitamins, minerals, and antioxidants. These beneficial compounds contribute to overall health and well-being, so whether enjoyed fresh or transformed into wine, grapes offer a delightful and nutritious treat. Before the harvest, winemakers employ a technique called thinning. This involves removing some grape bunches from the vines. While it may seem counterintuitive, thinning is crucial for producing high-quality wine. By reducing the number of grape bunches, the remaining grapes receive more nutrients and sunlight. This results in grapes with a higher concentration of sugars, flavors, and aromas. Thinning also improves air circulation within the vine, reducing the risk of diseases. Though it requires careful judgment and a steady hand, thinning is a testament to the winemaker's commitment to quality. It's a sacrifice that ensures the best possible grapes make it to the winery. The harvest is the culmination of months of hard work and anticipation. For red grapes, timing is crucial. The grapes must reach optimal ripeness with the perfect balance of sugar and acidity. Harvesting usually takes place in the early morning or late evening when temperatures are cooler. This helps preserve the delicate aromas and flavors of the grapes. Workers carefully hand-pick each bunch, ensuring only the healthiest grapes are selected. The harvested grapes are then placed in small crates to prevent crushing and transported to the winery for processing. In modern viticulture, machinery plays a crucial role in the grape harvest, especially for large vineyards. Grape harvesters are specially designed machines that gently shake the vines, causing ripe grapes to fall onto a conveyor belt. These machines are equipped with sensors and adjustable settings to minimize damage to the vines and grapes. The use of machinery speeds up the harvesting process, allowing winemakers to bring in the grapes at their peak ripeness. This is particularly important in regions with unpredictable weather conditions. From cluster to juice, cleaning and crushing. Once the grapes arrive at the winery, they undergo a series of steps to prepare them for fermentation. First, the grapes are carefully sorted and destemmed, removing any leaves or stems that could impart unwanted flavors to the wine. Next, the grapes are gently crushed to release their juice. In the past, this was done by foot stomping, but today most wineries use mechanical crushers. These machines apply controlled pressure to the grapes, extracting the juice without crushing the seeds or skins, which contain bitter tannins. The resulting juice, called must, is then ready for fermentation. Section 6. The magic of fermentation, transforming sugar into wine. Fermentation is the heart of winemaking, where the true transformation from grape juice to wine occurs. Yeast, a naturally occurring microorganism, is added to the must. The yeast consumes the sugar in the grapes and converts it into alcohol, carbon dioxide, and heat. This process typically takes several days to weeks, depending on the desired wine style. During fermentation, the winemaker monitors the temperature and sugar levels closely to ensure a successful transformation. Red wines are typically fermented at higher temperatures than white wines to extract color and tannins from the grape skins. Section 7. Quality control, ensuring a fine vintage. Throughout the winemaking process, quality control is paramount. Winemakers conduct regular tastings and laboratory analyses to monitor the wine's development. They check for clarity, aroma, flavor, and chemical balance. Adjustments are made as needed to ensure the wine meets the desired style and quality standards. This meticulous attention to detail is what distinguishes exceptional wines from ordinary ones. From the vineyard to the bottle, every step in the process is carefully controlled to produce a wine that reflects the terroir and the winemaker's vision. Section 8. Bottling the dream from tank to table. Once fermentation is complete and the wine has undergone any necessary aging, it's time for bottling. First, the wine is filtered to remove any remaining sediment or yeast. Then, it's bottled under sterile conditions to prevent spoilage. Each bottle is carefully sealed with a cork or screw cap to preserve the wine's freshness and prevent oxidation. Labels are applied, providing information about the wine, such as the grape variety, region, and vintage. The bottled wine is then ready for distribution, making its way to wine shops, restaurants, and ultimately to our tables. Section 9, a journey of passion from grape to glass. The journey from grape to wine is a testament to the intricate interplay of nature, science, and human passion. It's a journey that embodies the dedication of farmers, the artistry of winemakers, and the pleasure of wine enthusiasts worldwide. Each sip tells a story of sun-drenched vineyards, careful craftsmanship, and the transformation of humble grapes into a beverage that has been enjoyed for centuries. So the next time you raise a glass of wine, take a moment to appreciate the journey it has taken and the passion that went into creating it. Cheers!